In a major breakthrough ahead of India's 75th Independence Day, the Punjab police on Sunday claimed to have busted a Pakistan ISI-backed terror module with the help of Delhi police and arrested 4 members associated with Canada-based Arsh Dalla and Australia-based Gurjant Singh. They were apprehended from Delhi during the intel-led operation carried out by the Counter-Intelligence Unit of Punjab Police with the help of Delhi police. The police have also recovered 3 hand grenades, 1 IED and 2 9mm pistols along with 40 live cartridges from the possession of the arrested persons, said the Director General of Police Punjab Gaurav Yadav on Sunday. This is the third such module of cross-border smuggling of arms and explosives that has been busted by the Punjab police in less than a week. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann on Sunday watched Bollywood movie Lal Singh Chaddha and said that it gives a message of mutual brotherhood and not letting seeds of hatred grow in young hearts. Mann also congratulated actor Aamir Khan and his team for the movie. Today I got a chance to watch Lal Singh Chaddha. The movie gives a message of maintaining mutual brotherhood and not letting the seeds of hatred grow in tender hearts. Congratulations to Aamir and his team, Mann said in a tweet in Punjabi. Lal Singh Chaddha is the official remake of Tom Hanks' starrer Hollywood classic Forrest Gump, which was released in 1994. Written by Atul Kulkarni, the movie also features Kareena Kapoor Khan, Naga Chaitanya and Mona Singh in pivotal roles. Days after accepting the resignation of Dr. Raj Bahadur as Vice-Chancellor of Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, the Punjab government has given the additional charge of the post to Dr. Avinash Kumar, Director Medical Education and Research, Punjab. Dr. Avinash has been given temporary charge of the VC post till a regular incumbent is posted. Dr. Raj Bahadur's resignation came in a wake of a controversy over the eminent doctor being humiliated and forced to lie on dirty mattresses in the hospital by the State Health Minister Chetan Singh Joramraja during his inspection of the hospital late last month. The incident has been a major embarrassment for the government, with people from all the walks of life supporting Dr. Raj Bahadur and condemning the health minister for the incident. Days after the incident, Dr. Raj Bahadur had resigned as the Vice-Chancellor, even though the Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann had spoken to him and expressed regret over the incident. As many as 2,570 cows have died in the state and 65,829 cows have been infected with the lumpy skin disease, which is showing no signs of slowing down. As many as 169,844 cattle have been vaccinated with the goat pox vaccine to prevent the disease. While the total LSD infected cows till yesterday were 60,329, the total deaths were 2,114. In a single day, a whooping 5,500 new cows have been infected and 456 cows have died. Jalandhar, Muktsar, Fazilka and Bhatinda districts are the worst affected due to the lumpy skin disease, while the most cows, that is 5,967, have been infected in Jalandhar. 5,027 cows have been infected in Muktsar. The most deaths, that is 364, have been reported from Muktsar.